Just wait, I'm just wearing this one. So there we go, guys, and now I wore it. So yeah, guys, kind of just like looking cool, right? Like the stones and all. I don't know why that they just did not put the green stone. Yeah, I don't know why. Well, yeah, they have like the 5 stones only. The purple means I guess this is the soul stone, and this is the reality stone. I guess I just know like 2 of them. Otherwise, I just forgot most of them. And the time stone that is not there, and I don't know why. So yeah, and this is the inside part that looks like. So yeah. Hi. And yeah, like it kind of looks like cool in the outside part. So just let me know is how it is like, how it like fits on my hand. Yeah. So it's also like also you can also get it on Amazon and stuff. But I didn't actually bought it on Amazon. So I actually bought it on like the fun fair that happens, means the mela that happened some days ago, I guess. And I also wanted to say that my exams are like going on. That's why I was not making some video and stuff. So after this video, there are just 3 more like exams are left. After that, I'm going to make some more videos so for you guys. And yeah, I wanted to also say that my dada, means my mom's dad, like bought this thing. So I'm very happy. So yeah, like I'm very happy that my dad bought it. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and peace, bye, and thank you. Wait, I'm not actually ending the video right now, sorry. So yeah, I'm just going to get out this thing off my hat. So yeah, guys, now you can see it's not in my hand, not even in here. So it is basically in here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and peace, bye, and thank you. So yeah, guys, let me know in the comment section down below. I know I'm just not like opening the comment section down below. I guess there's some like problem, like technical problem and stuff, so I have to see. So hey guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and peace, bye, and thank you.